Welcome to Fallen Cycles. In this segment, we're going to look at this 2015 Roadmaster. This bike has 71,000 miles on it. Due to the nature of the impact that the bike took, we're not going to be able to do an actual gear run video, but we will do an electrical video. Right now, we're going to show you the odometer, trip functions, and indicator lights for this bike. So if you direct your attention to the center console, at the lower left of the center console, you see the odometer shows 71,246 miles. Trip functions for this motorcycle are all displayed in the center. We have mileage, you've got trip 1 mileage and trip 2 mileage. This display also allows you to look at specs for the bike, such as miles per gallon. We can look at the tire pressures for front and rear tires. Indicator lights for this bike are left turn, right turn, got a high beam indicator. You can see at the lower right hand corner of the infotainment display we have a neutral light, and there is no oil pressure light for this bike. We'll now go ahead around to the front of the bike and take a look at the lights there. In the front of this unit, we have headlamp low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, left turn signal, right turn signal, four-way flashers, and auxiliary spot lamps. Move on around to the back of the bike and take a look at the lights there. So we've got a rear fender mount running light. Tour pack light does not work. We've got a rear foot brake, left turn, right turn, and four-way flashers. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the stereo and infotainment system for this Indian. The radio function of this unit is in this second tier display in the infotainment center. So we can switch from AM settings for the stereo, the presets. We can go from FM to a voice command system. We can mute the system. So right now I'll turn the volume up and I can activate the mute via the left-hand switch housing. We've got an AM stereo, weather band with multiple channels. We've got a USB with a hookup on the bike. There's a navigation function. And then this is where your phone input would be. It's currently looking for the previous two phones. And we're back to FM stereo.